Dealing with a dog's fear of loud noises, such as thunderstorms or fireworks, requires patience, understanding, and a consistent approach. Fear of loud noises is common in dogs and can range from mild discomfort to severe phobia. The following strategies can help you effectively manage and alleviate your dog's fear. Creating a safe space. Establish a designated safe area where your dog can go when they are scared. This could be a quiet room, a crate, or a comfortable spot away from windows. Make this space cozy with their favorite blankets and toys. Training your dog to associate this space with positive experiences can be helpful. Desensitization and counterconditioning. Gradually expose your dog to recordings of the frightening noises at a low volume, while simultaneously providing positive stimuli, such as treats or play. Over time, gradually increase the volume. This process helps to reduce the dog's fear response by associating the noise with positive experiences. Behavioral training. Implementing behavioral training techniques can be very effective. Train your dog to engage in a calming activity, such as lying on a mat or going to their safe space when they hear loud noises. Reward calm behavior to reinforce this as a positive response to the noise. Use of calming aids. Consider using calming aids like anxiety wraps, thunder shirts, or pheromone diffusers. These can help soothe some dogs and make them feel more secure. Always introduce any new aid in a calm, positive manner so as not to increase anxiety. Positive reinforcement. Do not scold or punish your dog for being afraid. Instead, use positive reinforcement to encourage bravery and calmness. This could include treats, praise, or their favorite game. Soundproofing. Where possible, try to minimize the noise level in your home. Closing windows and curtains. Playing calming music or white noise can help muffle the sound of thunder or fireworks. Distraction techniques. During a noisy event, try to distract your dog with activities they enjoy. This could include playing with toys, doing training exercises, or engaging in a fun game. The goal is to redirect their attention away from the noise. Physical exercise. Providing your dog with plenty of physical exercise can help reduce anxiety levels. A tired dog is often more relaxed and may be less reactive to noises. Consistency in response. Be consistent in how you respond to your dog's fear. This helps your dog understand what to expect and feel more secure. Mixed messages can add to their anxiety. Avoid reinforcing fear. Be cautious not to inadvertently reinforce the fear by overly comforting your dog. Offer comfort and support, but try to do so in a calm and nonchalant manner. Check for medical issues. Sometimes, a dog's fear response can be exacerbated by underlying medical conditions. A visit to the vet can help rule out any health issues that might be contributing to their heightened anxiety. Crate training. If your dog is crate trained, their crate can be a safe haven during noisy events. Make sure the crate is a positive, comfortable place, never used for punishment. Practice routine desensitization. Regularly practicing desensitization exercises can help lessen your dog's fear over time. Be patient, as this process can take weeks or even months. Professional help. In severe cases, consulting a professional dog trainer or a veterinary behaviorist can be very beneficial. They can offer tailored advice and strategies based on your dog's specific needs. Limit exposure to noises. Where possible, try to limit your dog's exposure to the noises that frighten them. This may mean keeping them indoors during fireworks displays or thunderstorms. Anxiety medications. In extreme cases, and under veterinary supervision, anxiety medications may be prescribed to help your dog cope with their fear. These should be used as a last resort and in conjunction with behavioral strategies. Monitor your own reaction. Dogs are very attuned to their owner's emotions. Stay calm and composed during noisy events, as showing signs of stress can reinforce your dog's fear. Conditioning with positive associations. Regularly create positive experiences around the times when loud noises typically occur. For example, if your dog is afraid of thunderstorms, try to engage them in a favorite activity or provide them with a special treat when a storm is approaching. This can help change their associations with the noise from negative to positive. Gradual exposure in controlled environments. If possible, try to expose your dog to the noises in a controlled environment where you can manage the intensity and duration. This controlled exposure can be more effective than random, unpredictable occurrences. Use of herbal remedies and supplements. there are various natural supplements and herbal remedies that can help soothe a dog's anxiety. Ingredients like chamomile, valerian root, and L-theanine are known for their calming effects. Always consult your veterinarian before introducing any new supplement to your dog's diet. Encourage independence. Encourage your dog to be comfortable being alone and independent. This helps them to not always seek out the owner for comfort, which can be beneficial if the owner is not always present. Regular vet checkups. Regular health checkups with the veterinarian can ensure that your dog is in good physical health. Sometimes, health issues can exacerbate fear and anxiety. Provide a chew toy during noisy events. Giving your dog something to chew on can help distract them and reduce stress during noisy events. Chewing is a natural stress reliever for dogs. Massage and physical comfort. Gently massaging your dog during calm periods can help lower their overall anxiety levels. This physical comfort can be especially soothing during stressful times. Obedience training. Well-trained dogs are generally easier to manage, even in stressful situations. Basic obedience training can also strengthen the bond between you and your dog, increasing their trust and sense of security. Environmental enrichment. Keeping your dog's environment enriched and engaging can help distract them from their fears. This includes regular playtime, new toys, obstacle courses, and other forms of mental stimulation. Acclimate to safe outdoor conditions. If your dog's fear is associated with being outside, like fear of thunderstorms, try to acclimate them to being outdoors in safe, calm conditions. This can help reduce their overall anxiety about being outside. Educate yourself about dog anxiety. Understanding the root causes and manifestations of anxiety in dogs can better equip you to handle your pet's fears. Education about canine anxiety is key to effectively managing it. Seek support from dog owner communities. Sometimes, sharing experiences and tips with other dog owners can provide new insights and strategies for managing fear of loud noises. Be patient and understanding. Above all, it's important to be patient with your dog. Fear of loud noises is a common issue in dogs, and overcoming it can take time. Your understanding and support are crucial in helping your dog cope. Record keeping. Keep a record of your dog's reactions to different strategies and what seems to work best. This can be useful for tracking progress and making adjustments in your approach. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate small improvements in your dog's behavior. Positive reinforcement can boost their confidence and help in overcoming their fears. Creating distraction techniques. Develop a set of distraction techniques that can be used when loud noises occur. This could include playing games, doing some training exercises, or offering a favorite toy. The goal is to redirect their focus from the noise to something positive. Building confidence through training. Confidence-building exercises can help reduce anxiety. This can include mastering new skills or navigating obstacle courses. Confident dogs are often better equipped to handle stress. Incorporating relaxation techniques. Teach your dog relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or settling on a mat. These techniques can be practiced regularly and then employed during noisy events to help calm your dog. Using white noise or calming music. Playing white noise or specially designed calming music for dogs can help drown out the frightening sounds. Experiment with different sounds to find what your dog responds to best. Adjusting your routine. If possible, adjust your routine to be home with your dog during expected noisy events like fireworks or thunderstorms. Your presence can be a great source of comfort to a fearful dog. Avoiding coddling during fearful moments. While it's natural to want to comfort your dog, excessive coddling during fearful moments can reinforce fear. Offer comfort and support, but try to remain calm and collected. Engaging in regular play and exercise can help reduce overall anxiety in dogs. An active dog is generally a happier and more content dog, which can make them less reactive to loud noises. Implementing a safe word or signal. Train your dog to recognize a safe word or signal that means they are in a safe place and nothing bad will happen. Use this during training sessions and when actual noisy events occur. Monitoring diet and health. Ensure your dog is on a healthy diet and receives regular health checks. A healthy body can often cope better with stress. Using essential oils. Some essential oils, like lavender, are known for their calming properties. However, ensure any oils used are safe for dogs and are used in a diffuser or other safe method. Seeking behavioral therapy. If your dog's fear is severe, consider seeking the help of a behavioral therapist. They can offer more specialized strategies and interventions. Preparing for unplanned noises. Have a plan in place for unplanned loud noises. This can include quickly accessing your dog's safe space or having calming aids readily available. Understanding the fear. Take the time to understand your dog's specific fears. Is it the noise itself, the vibrations, or associated events, like flashing lights with fireworks? This understanding can help tailor your approach. Offering a balanced lifestyle that includes regular exercise, mental stimulation, and social interactions can help reduce overall stress in your dog, making them less reactive to loud noises. Staying informed about local events. Stay informed about local events that might involve fireworks or other loud noises. This can help you prepare in advance to manage your dog's fear. Using a thundershirt. Consider trying a thundershirt, which applies gentle, constant pressure, similar to swaddling an infant. This can have a calming effect on some dogs. By utilizing a combination of these strategies, you can help your dog better cope with their fear of loud noises. Remember that each dog is unique, and it may take time to find the right combination of techniques that work for your pet. Consistency, patience, and understanding are key to helping your dog navigate their fears.